Hey guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you a new design team package from Country Craft Creations. So this just came in the mail today. Let's open it up and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so let me show you. The first thing I got is from Art Glitter. This is Starlight, and this is some really pretty sparkles. Let's see. And I was going to use this making some projects, Christmas projects, and this is going to really make them sparkle, I think. Look at how pretty that is. I know it's kind of hard to see, but you can definitely see the sparkle. So this is going to be fun to add to some of the 3D projects that I have planned, to go ahead and add some snow. So you can use it for Christmas, you can use it for winter, all kinds of fun stuff. And then I also got some of the shaker embellishments. This one is Iceberg. It's really pretty. This is silvers. So take a quick peek. So that one is also going to be really fun. Anything with sparkles and stuff like that is always going to be fun. Then I picked up some Crafty foam tape, and this is double-sided tape, so using the shaker stuff, it can go ahead and use those. So I got that. This one is 13 feet by 4 meters, or 13 feet or 4 meters. And it is 0.39 inches or 10 millimeters. So I must say that's like 3/8. Let me compare it. Yeah, it's actually 3/8. So 3/8 foam tape. And then I got one of these lights. I'd already gotten one. I'm actually currently making a project, and I needed 2 sets of lights. So I got these, and these are super cute and fun. So I can't wait to show you what I'm making with those. And then I got some more shaker embellishments. These ones have cute little snowmen in them. And then these ones, it didn't dump out, but these ones have little snowflakes, and you can see how iridescent they are. That's pretty. And then the snowmen. And then I also picked up some flowers, and these are by Prima. And these are going to work really well with the Christmas Dreams paper collection. I currently am using the 8x8 paper pad, but I had to get the bigger one too because it's just so gorgeous. So I figured these flowers here would go really pretty with it. So let's just show you. And let's get a couple of the flowers out. And you cannot go wrong with this paper collection. This one is absolutely stunning. So these are little cutter parts. And my camera is actually playing really nice right now. That's the back side. And colors are actually showing like they're supposed to. And the cut apart cards. So anyway, if you look at how well these flowers match, they're perfect. And those ones are Sugar Cookie Christmas. That's the collection for those ones. Oops. And the Pretty Angel. And it looks like these little lights here are twinkling. So if you go ahead and add these lights to that, it's really going to look like they're twinkling. And this one, I absolutely love this scene. So you could take some of the Starlight glitter here and you can just add it to different areas of like the trees and stuff like this. And you can just really make those ones pop. So I think on the project that I'm currently working on, I'm going to do that because it's just going to, with the lights and everything I have going, it's just really going to make it sparkle. And then up here in the back side. And then this absolutely adorable photo, or picture on it. Photo. Could be a photo too because it's gorgeous in the back side. So let me just show you. I did grab some of the gold foil paper. And I thought that this would look really pretty with this Christmas paper. So if you were to take this and border it around, look at that. That is just stunning. Gorgeous. This one's really pretty. And the nutcrackers. The pretty poinsettias. There's Heartfelt Creations. Tamara's got in some poinsettia dies that I think I'm going to snag because I think they're going to look gorgeous if you cut the poinsettias out with these pretty pink collection papers here. Actually, if you cut them out with the matching ones over here, I'll show those in a minute. It's just going to look amazing. And Santa. It looks like specks of glitter all over that. And let's see. So this is the coordinating solids, which I think for the most part is just what is on the back side of the other papers. Actually, no, because that's not in the other collection. So this one's different. Or it might be part of the layers from something. Is it from... No. So this one. Oh, they're two different shades. So I don't know how well... One's more of a greener color and the other one's more blue. Really pretty. And then this is more the minty color, which again, with these flowers on it, super pretty. And the back side. And then it comes with a white. So it's washing out with my lights, but okay. And then a pink one. Really pretty. So yeah, any of these though, if you match the gold with it, that's going to be really pretty. And so then there is the new paper collection. So let me move my flowers because I have not seen these two collections yet. So, because my work schedule has been insane. So, all right. So Plaid Pumpkin Patch. let's take a look at this one together. So the little cut aparts. Really cute. I love how the green, whoops, the green on this little truck, it really pops. Pretty. And then the back side. And this one's really pretty. So you could just use this one as a page on its own. And if you wanted to, you could just actually put a picture over this if you wanted to. It almost frames it out. So you could cut this out, save this piece, and then you already have like a kind of an area for the mat. And then this is kind of an olive green check. It's looking a little yellow, but such pretty fall colors too, the reds and the oranges. Really pretty. And this has got some green in it, that olive green, and then there's like stripes of kind of like an orange and yellow going across. I like this one. So this one you can almost cut into sections. Why is my, let's see. You know, I might have too much stuff on here now. It's, because my light was really good before, and I don't know what it's doing. I think I have too much going here, maybe. These are cute. You can make little tags out of these. So is it 3, 6, 12? Yeah, so 3 by 6. Cute little tags. Those would be super cute. On the back side. And then the pumpkins. Really pretty. There. And then these are cute. So if you wanted to just cut out little circles and make little fall circle tags, those would be really cute. You could cut them out, and if you were having like Thanksgiving dinner or something, you could cut these out, make little strips to wrap around your napkins as cute little things just to hold your napkins together. And then the red check. This is kind of a watercolor, so for a lighter background. And then the oranges. And then this one's pretty too. Oops. I love the sunflowers. You can never go wrong with sunflowers. Really pretty. And then sunflowers on the back. Oops. Picked up too many. And here with our little bushel baskets. That's cute. You could use this just as a border on something. Pretty. And, oh, I didn't show you the back though, but it's all the little gourds and pumpkins. And those are a lighter color. So let me see. Oops. If I get rid of some of this, maybe my color will come back. Alright, maybe. Alright, so this one is Santa's Little Helper, and this is 8 by 8. This one I have seen images of. We have cute little tags you can go ahead and use. Really pretty. You can kind of see the Christmas ornaments and stuff kind of hanging out in the background. Very light. and cute little cut aparts in the back. So this is a very kind of a vintage feel, and speaking of vintage photo would look really pretty to ink the edges of these papers. And this one here, this one here would be a good for front of a cookbook. If you don't really need anything more other than this page, this would be really cute on the front. And the stripes. And then all the cute little puppy dogs. Santa's little helper. Oh, these ones are really pretty. I wish you could actually see what these ones look like, because they're kind of a it's kind of like an almondish color, or a very light tan, I should say, but it's really pretty. And then the back side. And the little rolling pin. Really pretty. I like that one. Back side. And more little puppy dogs. And little gingerbread and little hearts. And one which is a little hot chocolate. Again, perfect one for the front of a cookbook cover, or just a regular photo album. And back side. And this one. This one's a little darker brown. Back side. This one's fun. This one looks like ads from a newspaper. I just kind of like that vintagey look with that. That's really cute. And backside, which is the same thing as the front, just without all the extra layers on there. And then the cut aparts, which are those two nice big pages. You get little 4x4s. Those are fun. Backside. Alrighty, so that is what I got in this design team haul. I will leave you the links to everything below in the video. And any questions on anything, go ahead and leave them down below. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.